Hidden along the rolling hills of Salina, Ontario, is a pioneer cemetery that almost disappeared. The church is gone, but its story can still be traced across the landscape. A 1930s topographic map shows the Mount Vernon Cemetery standing here on Concession 6, Lot 28. This quiet corner was once an active gathering place for the surrounding farming community. The small Episcopal chapel stood beside the cemetery, complete with a drive shed where horses and wagons could be sheltered during services. Built originally as a frame structure in 1842 on preacher Ben Perry's lot, it was then rebuilt as a brick church in 1862. Before it became known as the Mount Vernon Cemetery, it was referred to as the Perry or Baker Burying Ground. The church was demolished in 1914, leaving only the cemetery behind. Its last burial was done in 1912. As the decades passed, many of the old headstones weathered and began to decay. In 1966, local volunteers carefully restored the site, placing the surviving headstones in the semicircle you see today. Although the church has vanished, this quiet cemetery continues to preserve the memory of the families who built this rural community. If you enjoy discovering Ontario's forgotten pioneer cemeteries, there's two more small cemeteries nearby with a story that begins in the same era. I've explored that history in the other videos if you'd like to continue the journey.